if instead of having grass on our lawn, it was just moss.
We have mostly moss.
What do you mean?
We have a lot of moss in our yard.
Well, I'm saying the entire like thing is moss.
I'm trying to let the moss take over.
Because that way you don't have to mow it and you don't
I know.
like, and it's a lot more environmentally.
I know.
It's better for
This
the
time of the year it kind of dies though because it's too dry.
Oh, maybe.
That's why it looks brown.
So gorgeous.
Oh, but I mean,
oh, it's clean. All right, Mount Adams, and where is it? Mount St. Helens way over there, and then Mount Rainier, but you can't see it. Wow, so gorgeous. Oh my God.